Hi guys, thanks for joining us. Just plug the AC adapter in, so everything you're seeing and hearing now is directly from the AC adapter. These units are a fantastic unit. There may be a little bit of delay in the audio because of the video frame rate and the the speed at which I talk at, or most people will talk at. You may see a little bit of a delay, so that is a little bit of an issue to be aware of. But apart from that, you're going to have fantastic footage out of it. You're going to get a nice big shot, and you're going to have fantastic clarity. So hopefully this AC adapter is going to tick all your boxes. If you do like it, make sure you hit up the spystore.com.au. If you have any questions around or anything like that, write to us in the comments, or you can email us direct through our website and just click on the support email. Spystore Australia, speaking. Yes, we have those in stock. Yes, the AC adapters are one of the best sellers. Yeah, no, it's definitely one of the easiest to go ahead and install. It doesn't need a battery, you just plug into a power point and away you go. Yeah, you can order them online or you can place them all around your phone if you like. Yeah, we can set that up. No worries. I'll just grab the details. Hang on just a sec.
Thanks for joining us, guys. As always, don't hesitate to shoot us an email, support@thespystore.com.au, or give us a call if you have any questions or queries regarding any of our products.